Experience endless comfort and energy efficiency with AceCrew's premium dual run capacitors. At AceCrew, our dual run capacitors last longer. Our capacitors are better inside because we use more premium material. Our layers are thicker than similar types. Our capacitance variation is the lowest that it can be at 5%, and accurate capacitance variation is ideal for the best performance. This capacitor has a capacitance of 45 plus 5 microfarads, a voltage of 0 to 450, an operating temperature range of -40 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, and it has all of its industry approvals. Not every capacitor is built the same. The hard-sealed aluminum casing prevents you from seeing what's inside. This is where brands will try to cut costs and reduce materials, which results in a capacitor failing a lot sooner. Trust in AceCrew and our lifetime replacement guarantee. This capacitor has 3 terminals: the HERM, fan, and common wire. The HERM and common wire work together to power the compressor. The fan and common wire work together to power the blower fan. Our products are always available because we not only sell them, but we use them too, which is why we know and trust them. Buy with confidence from AceCrew.